Okay, today we'll start. Good morning, children. Today we'll start machine. Okay, generally in our mind, machine means machine is making our work easily. It is easily we can do our work, which we cannot do by what? Directly. Just one example I am giving you. If we want to open a nut, okay, so then we are using by simple hand or what, fingers, we cannot open it if it is tightly. If we use a wrench, so then we can what, open the nut easily. If we want to move a huge stone, okay, the big stone, if we want to move, so we cannot move it what? Directly. It is difficult to move. If we use a rod and then there is support, so then if we apply force over here, so then we can easily move this stone. So therefore this rod is acting as a machine. Okay, so therefore machine can do three things, that is three way. Number one, in lifting a heavy load by applying less force. This one what we have done. Okay, we can lift a heavy load by using little force. So therefore, say in case of jack, cars are what? Of heavy load. So we can lift a car by using a jack by applying less force. Okay. Number two, in changing the point of application of force or effort. Which force we are applying on the machine? That is known as effort. Okay. To a convenient point. To a convenient point. In case of bicycle, okay, the pedals are attached somewhere and the rear wheel is connected with the what? The free wheels and the gears and all chains are there. Okay, we are applying force somewhere on the pedal, but the rear wheel is rotating other portion. Number three, in changing the direction of effort. In changing the direction of effort. Okay, it means in a convenient position we are applying effort. Okay, that means in case of lifting a bucket of water. When we are lifting a bucket of water through a pulley, so then we are applying force in downward, but bucket is going upward. Number four, that is for obtaining gain in speed. We can get speed. Okay. Now, in case of when a pair of scissors, say this is a pair of scissors, I am drawing in this way. These are the blades of the scissor. Okay. So therefore what happened? When we are moving the handle of this and blades are what? Cutting the clothes. So the clothes are what? We are cutting faster rate than the applied force. It is fast. So these are the four types of machine. So how will you define the machine totally? A machine is a device by which we can either overcome a large resistive force, that is load. The car I told, we can lift a car, so therefore car is the load. Okay, we are applying force, that is known as effort. A machine is a device by which we can either overcome a large resistive force, that is load, at some point by applying a small force, that is effort, at a convenient point and in a desired direction, in a particular direction, at a convenient point, at a desired direction, or by which we can obtain a gain in speed. We can increase the speed also. Now there are terms are used in case of machine that I told about: load, effort, these all things I told you. That is, what is load? Load. Load is the resistive force. Load is the resistive force to overcome by a machine. Okay, machine is overcoming. Yes, this is denoted by capital L. This is denoted by capital L. Number 2, that is effort. Effort, denoted by capital E. Effort is denoted by capital E. The force applied on the machine to overcome the load, called effort. Now number 3, that is very important, mechanical advantage. Advantage denoted by MA. Mechanical advantage denoted by MA. What type of advantage we are taking by the machine? The mechanical advantage is the ratio of load to effort. Load to effort. It means mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Load by effort. That is equal to L by E. L by E. Load and effort both are force. Both are forces. So therefore mechanical advantage having no unit. This is ratio of similar quantities, both are forces, so therefore it is having no unit. Now the main part are coming. When load is, there are 3 cases. One case, load is greater than effort. Number 2, load is less than effort. Number 3, load is equal to effort. This can be happened. So in this situation, mechanical advantage, in this case, mechanical advantage, what happened? Load is greater than effort, so more by less, so this one will be greater than 1. This one will be mechanical advantage is less than 1. In this case, mechanical advantage is equal to 1. Mechanical advantage is equal to 1. Now, so 3 cases we are getting. When mechanical advantage is greater than 1, it means it is force multiplier. By applying less effort,